Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my deck out here in Garner, North Carolina. I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I would do one to kind of keep you guys abreast of what's going on with my businesses and things like that. So I I got a text from a guy. I'm not even sure how he got my number, but that's fine. He texted me a few days ago, and he told me that he had been looking at a lot of my videos on YouTube, and he came upon my signature program where I started myself on the owner of the program. It's called Top Secret Wealth Plan. And so he said he watched the video several times. He said, Brian, it really just made sense to me. He said, I'm not really, technical and all that stuff like that. And he said he liked the fact that all you have to do is advertise. You don't have to have a website. Advertise a video along with your personal PIN number, and then that's all you have to do. And then what happens is people will watch the video. They'll pick up the phone. They'll give me a call personally, or they'll text me like he did. They'll give me their PIN number. I find out who that PIN number belongs to, so that person gets the credit for it. And then voila, they're in there. And so that person who placed the ad, they will make $140. I'll make $10, and that's how it works. So it's really, really simple. I've been doing this for probably, I don't know, 2.5 years now. I have over 300 members, and it's not super popular everywhere. Like it's not all how would I say it? It's not all saturated. That's the word, saturated, like all these other programs out there. But the thing about it is it's very, very simple, and it pays out really nicely. Okay. Not only that, but people can actually pick up the phone and call me. I'm the owner of the program. They can call me. They can talk to me. I answer their questions for you on your behalf. And that's all they have to do. Okay. All right. So he signed up. I got the, hold on for a second here. Yeah. This is it right here. See there, Donald Smith. Okay. Covered his address and everything. Donald Smith. And, he just sent me a money order. Let me see. Let me just. Hold on a second, guys. I always try to multitask, but I can't seem to do that. Okay. So. Okay, you guys, please excuse my yard. It's early springtime, and it's a work in progress. As you can see, I used to have nice little flowers there. They're coming. Just hold tight. That's my banana tree right there. See there? It's totally dead right now, but watch in a few months or so, probably a month or so, it's gonna look totally different. See there? That's my other banana tree. It grows as high as the ceiling up there. See that? It really grows really nicely. But in the next week, I'm gonna go out here and clean all this junk up and get ready for springtime. We got a lot of stuff we got to do. We want to do. Just had a guy came today to give us an estimate on some sod here for the backyard. I'm seeing see how much that costs, but we may do that. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's the way it is. But anyway, here it is. Let me cover his address up here. Okay. All right. Well, can you see it? Brain Kelly. People always do that. It's not Brain. It's Brian. Brian. See, Brian or Brain Kelly. $150. That's me. I'm the person who he got my PIN number, so that's what I get the whole thing. But anyway, that's all you have to do. So I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, so in the package, you're gonna get a website to go to where you can order your postcards. So this is like start to finish here. Okay, so you order postcards. This is a postcard that I have a guy who does all the postcards for me. Right. All you gotta do is get a postcard just like this. The only difference is it's gonna have box number 3. It's gonna have your name. It's gonna have your PIN number. In this case, this is my personal postcard. I actually marked this myself. So I have, of course, my name and my PIN number BDK1970. Okay. So once you take this, you put a stamp on it, you mail it, right? So, and also just let you guys know, I got everything all squared away. If you need great leads, I have 2 very good lead sources. So once you get this program, you can hit the ground running. Okay, you can get your postcards, and I have two great sources where you can get leads. All right, so this is it's all inclusive. It's very, very good. All right, so now you put a lead on this postcard, put a stamp on it, drop it in the mail. Person gets it. A very good postcard, very colorful as you can see, and they'll read it. And the main thing is this, okay, about postcards. Postcards are not meant to sell. Postcards are simply meant to get a person to take action. And the action that they will take is they'll follow step 1, 2, and 3. The first step is they go to topsecretwealthplan.com. What that is a 20-minute video. That's a video, what's audio/video of me talking and telling a person about the program, what it's all about. Okay. Now, most people I find who sign up listen to it at least once or twice, okay, because it's very, very informative. It tells you everything, takes all away all your questions, okay. The next step is they'll go to step number 2. They'll call Brian Kelly, which is me, the admin, the owner of the program. They'll ask questions. Most people I find who watch the video, I would say 95% of the people who sign up, call me, they don't have any questions. They just say, "Hey Brian, I watch your video, listen to your video. I'm ready to sign up." Okay. Some people do, but most people, about 95% of the people who call me are actually ready to sign up. So the video does a very, very good job of doing the talking, explaining, and selling for you. All right. All right. So once they call me, let's say for instance, a person calls, he has some questions. I answer the questions for them. I find out what I said, how'd you find out about this? What's your PIN number? They'll give me a PIN number. Let's say for instance, your PIN number is 1, 2, 3, 4. I go and I find who is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4 is John Smith. Well, John will get $140 and I will get $10 because John was the one who sent the prospect their postcard. So this is like guys, this is totally hands off. It really this program, it's I've had it for a couple of years and it's been very consistent. And a lot of people I find, elderly people on fixed income, they don't have a lot of technical knowledge. But what they can do, they can take a postcard just like this. They can put a stamp on it. They can put a mailing label and drop it in the mail. And once they do that, that's all they have to do. Because once they do that, the system takes over from there. This postcard right here that you can get, okay, once you sign up, you can get this postcard. Get this postcard, drop it in the mail, and then once you do that, the system takes over for you. I answer all your prospects' questions. I close the sale for you. If a person doesn't sign up, then what I do is I collect their name. I have a conversation with them. I take notes. A lot of people say, well, I don't have the money to get started right now, but in 2 weeks, I'm going to get my check. So, well, guess what I do? I write that down. I write it down. I say, what? John Smith told me on March the 13th at 2:45 that he's very interested, but he wants to sign up 2 weeks from now on Wednesday, whatever, the 2 weeks from then. So guess what happens? 2 weeks from then, I'll pick up the phone. I'll call that person. I say, "Hey, John, I talked to you 2 weeks ago, and you told me that you're going to be getting a check today, and you'll have the money to sign up, right?" So this is what I do. This is very important. It's very important to follow up with your prospects. This is what I do, okay, on your behalf. All right. So granted, I get $10 from the sale, but you get $140, and all you have to do, guys, is take this simple little postcard, and drop it in the mail. Not only that, if you want to like advertise this on Craigslist or wherever you want to advertise, all you have to do is this topsecretwealthplan.com, and then you want to put your PIN number, and that is it, guys. That's all you have to do. Once you do that, the system takes over from there. Person goes and listens to a 20-minute audio/video of me talking about this program, explaining for you on your behalf, explain to your prospect for you on your behalf, okay? And then once the video is very good. It explains everything. Now, once they hear it, once they like it, the only alternative they have is to pick up the phone or text me and then say, "Hey Brian, I'm ready to get started," or "Let me answer the questions." And when they do, the first thing I ask them is, "What's your PIN number?" So to make sure that you get the credit for the sale. That's very important. Okay, it's about I really believe in integrity here. Okay, so that's the whole thing. As you can see, it's not a lot of bells and whistles. It's not really flashy, but it's been around for 2.5 years. I've had no complaints. People seem to be satisfied, and mostly people are making money. So that's the bottom line. That's what it's all about, guys. Okay. You're not gonna get. I'm not gonna. You won't see Lamborghinis and mansions and all this nonsense. I don't believe in that. If you're looking to make an extra $500, $1,000 a month, this is something that you can really do. All you're having to do is just place ads, mail out postcards. As simple as that. If you're elderly, if on a fixed income, if you're a student, if you're a stay at home mom, whatever. I mean, a doctor. Frankly, I don't really care. But the bottom line is this: if you can take a postcard like this and drop it in the mail, put a stamp and drop it in the mail, then you can make some serious ongoing money with this. Because again, you don't have to do any talking, no explaining, no selling, no convincing. This video that you're going to go to does that for you. And then once a person decides, hey, this is something I might be interested in, they're going to pick up the phone and they're going to call me directly on my cell phone. This is my cell phone number right here, okay? That's my cell phone number. I pick up the phone, I answer the questions, I get their PIN number, and then I have them send you the money directly. I never, ever, ever touch your money, okay? That's the thing. I never touch your money. They send me $10 and they send you however much. Now, all you gotta do is let me know how you want to receive your funds. If you want to receive your funds, via PayPal, Cash App, I have all that information. I put that in the database so that when a person signs up, I can go straight there and I know how I'll have your email address. I have all that information so that they can send you the money directly. Some people want to send money through the mail. However you want to receive your funds, that's totally fine with me. If you ever want to make a change, all you gotta do is just give me a call and say, "Hey, Brian, I change addresses or whatever," and I can just make that change. No problem, guys. This is a simple program that actually works and it works really, really well. Okay, so with that being said, hope you guys continue to have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. That's my personal cell phone number. Make sure that you go to this topsecretwealthplan.com. This is the video that explains everything, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye for now.